Pinnacle Response is one of the original body-worn camera suppliers based here in the UK. Recently we've got a lot more involved in the software side of things, the management of secure data in the cloud. We are really quite a small business, but we have very high goals, very high expectations. So traditionally, body-worn cameras downloaded or offloaded their footage onto a local hard drive, and really that's not a very secure way of doing things. What we found is that using our DEM software in the cloud and AWS environment is the perfect solution for that. All the footage that we record is encrypted. It takes a lot of resource to unencrypt those files. This is not a challenge within AWS because the solution is fully scalable. If there's 10,000 cameras uploading data at any given time, the system auto-scales to cope with that, and the customer sees no compromise in performance. I couldn't say enough good about these guys. If we need support, they bring a specialist in, and we get support exactly for that specific topic. We're actually in the process now of rolling out very shortly our next generation of camera. Again, it's designed specifically to work with our DEM software and with the cloud-based deployment. With AWS, we have the opportunity now to scale up as much as we want. We have the opportunity to work in any country that we specifically want to. Really, the world's our oyster now.